Look at this one here.
Listen, me stress.
No stress, man. You're a young girl.
I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately, I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back. Never look back. Never look back. No, never look back. Never look back. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. As you see, I am just literally getting up out of bed. Getting up out of bed. Light went off in the middle of the night, in and out. I think it's just after 8 o'clock. This is the first I've woken up usually this late. I usually don't get up this late. Oh, and if you are not, before we get into this video, if you are not yet subscribed, make sure you're subscribed. Hit that notification button so anytime we upload a video, you guys will be the first to be notified. I know a lot of you have been saying that you haven't been getting my videos, and I am sorry for that. YouTube, I guess, is just plain. So most of the times, if you guys don't get my notification, just go and check. There will always be a video probably uploaded that you guys have not watched yet. And if you have not watched my previous videos, you can find them in the playlist. So go and check those videos out. But yes, guys, like I say, I'm just getting up. I gotta get up. I'm gotta go brush my teeth, get this hot girl bonnet off my head, and get myself together, make the bed, sweep, and tidy up a bit. And I gotta go clean the bathroom. So, and I'm not sure what the plan is for today, but we are going to figure that out. Mr. William is up, as you guys can see. He's gone, so he got up early. He's out there. I don't even know what he's doing, but he's out there doing something. So I'm gonna get up now and get myself together, and yeah, so let's get up and let's get tidy and let's get ready for the day, because it's sunny and it's a new day. And yeah, it's a new day, new blessing. So let's get up and get this day started. Oh, thank you to everybody that has wished us again happy anniversary. Like I said, thanks for the love on our anniversary and birthday dinner. Thank you guys for that as well. We had a great time. We had a great time. Not what we planned, but it was still great. It was more like a spontaneous date. And sometimes you guys need to do that, you know, with your loved ones. You're like, if you've been in a relation, you need that spontaneous, like back in the days when you just got up and said, okay, love, get dressed. We don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere. Need to have that. Yes, definitely. You know, before I get up, you know, I seen a video, a post the other day, and it was talking about how they're not taught how to really be a husband. They are just taught how to provide for their family. And it really dawned on me and hit me. And it's really true, because when you look at certain relationship, a man think that because they provide for the wife, like they make the money with their kids, and their logic of being a provider is going to work, making the money, making sure the bills are paid, right? And they feel that because they're married and the bills are paid, like there's food in the house, that is it. But gentlemen, you need to spiff up on yourself. Some of you, that is not it alone. And you see, these are some of the things why I find that people's relationship goes south as well, right? And as females as well, we also need to set, just like how I believe a man should set certain expectation from his wife, like on make sure that your hair is done even once a week or twice a week or something, or make sure like I don't get up and see you in that bonnet every day and that nightgown every day, right? It's the same thing as a woman. Set certain expectation for your husband as well, because just remember, a lot of us was not taught how to be wives and taught how to be husbands, and there's going to be trials and errors along the way, right? You're going to make trials and errors, and the thing that makes your relationship salty as well, because if you don't set certain things in stone, because a man is taught how to provide for his family. He's not taught how to, some of them are not even taught how to be a dad, you know, how to be a provider, how to be a dad, how to be a loving husband. As you know, Valentine's Day come, yes, you might not celebrate it, but it's nice once in a while, go out, get your wife something, get her some flowers out of the blue, right? Yes, women by nature, we are more loving, right? Because from a young age, if you actually sit and watch the kids, let me sit up. If you guys actually sit and watch your young daughters, right? Little girls, before they reach the age, even before they reach the age, let me get some light in here. Can't make God's good light go to waste. As young girls, we are taught from an early age, you play with dolls, you're learning how to cook. Some of us learn how to iron just by the things that they make. If you have the Ken Barbie and the woman Barbie, right? You showed how they got married. They go out there, supposedly got an education, got married before they had kids, got a house, had the nice career, and the dad goes off to work. The mom stays home, take care of the kids and cook and all that stuff. So from a young age, we female are like what's the term that you would use? Man, I don't even remember the term, but if you guys could think of it, like a good term to use, like we were, I guess what you call brainwashed or breaded, or we were being prepared to be wives and mothers at a young age by playing with the dolls and stuff like that. And oh, you know, husband goes off to work and he just comes home and expect dinner is there. But at the end of the day, being a wife and a mother, it takes a lot, and cooking and everything, and making sure like the house is tidy, the husband has his nice hot meal when he comes home. But beyond that, right, as well, for girls, you're not showed that, yeah, you show that you love and you kiss your husband, whatever, and you take care of the kids and stuff like that, but the affection part on both sides, male and female, we're not shown that after that you need to have play. You need to play with each other as partners, you know, you need to sit down and laugh. I remember the days when I used to play doll. I never thought about anything like that. I just thought the husband went to work, he made the money to make sure that there's a roof over head, there's food on the table when he came home, there was a hot meal, the kids them was bath and everything, and the house was clean, so he didn't come home to a dirty house. And that's how I remember when I used to play doll, right? You learn how to cook and iron and, you know, be the, what is it, you call it, the cookie cutter wife, as they call it, right? And that was what life was supposed to be, and that's what, as young girls, we get that dream. But I think that as well, we as mothers that have kids now that are still playing with dolls should teach them that, yes, the husband go out, get the job and stuff like that. And nowadays, you don't even need to go out and get the job. There is non-traditional job that sometimes makes you way more money than the 9 to 5, so you have more time for your family, right? And a lot of us don't even realize that as well. And times are changing, right? And it doesn't always have to be just a mom alone doing all the housework, taking care of the kids. they can split everything. The dad can do it as well, right? Just like how you have the mom going out to work and taking care of bills as well. Things has changed a lot. So on top of that, you they need to be taught, like, yes, you need to have this, like, something spontaneous, like, okay, let's get up, we're going for a family picnic. It doesn't have to be the wife that initiates it. It should also be the husband. Or, like, surprisingly, the wife will go to work and meet the husband there and buy lunch and bring to the husband, if that's the case, if he buys lunch. Like spontaneous stuff like that, you guys need to implicate in your relationship. These are things that keep a relationship alive. So yeah, these are some of the things that keep a relationship alive and going and striving. And I find that this is the reason why so much people are having problem within their marriage, your relationship in general, because we are only taught certain things, and other things we've had to learn. And trust me, baby, I was not even taught half of the things that I learned how to do. But because I am a person that I love to research, I love to read, and I'm very spontaneous. I like to try new things, and I love to enjoy life. Right? These are the reason why I try in my relationship as well to just go out and have fun. Right? I'll get up one day and I was like, okay, honey, let's go to the river. All right? And we'll just get up and go. Or we're like, okay, let's just get up and get dressed. Or I will just book somewhere for us to go. And I'm like, let's get up, let's go. And without him even knowing. Or sometimes, like, he just come home and he's expecting one thing and it's something totally different that he was not expecting. And he loves those type of things more better than just the regular things that you do. So sometimes you have to spice things up and enjoy yourself. Look at the creeper in the window. Good morning, sir.
You know long daylight?
Excuse you.
You know sun hot?
Hello. So me no know a long daylight. Me no say out at door.
You still in a bed?
Yeah. Because I was interrupted from my sleep earlier when current went and it got hot. A mosquito start biting me up. Right? So yes, guys. But I don't know if you guys want me to sit down and talk more about it. Give this video a thumbs up, like the video, make sure you're sharing it, and let me know in the comments down below some of the things that you guys do as women and as man as well. And do you think what I am seeing is true to a sense or no? Let's talk in the comments. I love hearing you guys respond, because you guys know I'm always in the comments talking to you guys. I love communicating with you guys as well. So let's definitely talk about it, because I've seen it happen in so much things, and it's so crazy for a man to come and say that they are not learned, they weren't taught how to be, like, husband. They were just taught how to be the provider. So being a provider is what they consider being a husband. And no, gentlemen, that's not it alone. This is why, as much as a woman love you, sometimes we will have faults in relationship, and it goes vice versa for a woman, because after you get married and stuff like that, then y'all try and have this on all the time, the bonnet right through the day and the nightgown, and you letting yourself go. You don't put on makeup, you don't dress up and stuff like that. This is why some of these men out here are going and they're looking at the shiny things. And not even that, don't just do it for your husband, do it for you. Get yourself together and look good. And I always say, when you look good, you feel good, no matter what is going on. And for me, I always feel like I could take on the day. So for me getting up and spreading my bed, cleaning up my house, it makes me feel joyful. Get up, do what I need to do as a woman, put myself together. Whether if I feel like putting on a little bit of natural makeup in the house, even if I'm not going anywhere, I'll do it. Sometimes I just don't feel like doing nothing. I just make sure that my hair is looking right and I'm dressed and I feel nice and I'm good to go. I feel like I could take on the day. So sometimes just that alone makes us feel good. And it's nice when our husband are like, wow, like, you know, you look beautiful. Because, and that's another thing, you men, stop telling your woman that you're beautiful after being in a relationship so long, or like, wow, you look gorgeous. Like, it's nice when you get up and you dress up and your husband acknowledge you and say, wow, you look beautiful today, hon. Because before, when they just started dating you, they used to say all the things. And I always say, even to my spouse, the same way how I met you and how we were in the beginning, you need to continue being that way, because that's how I met you, right? Yes, things will change, but if I'm still putting in the effort and doing my best, because we've been together so long, don't let that side of you die. Continue telling your wife or your husband they look handsome when they dress up and they put in the effort. And if you look a certain way, I'm going to tell my husband, listen, you need to get shaved up, something done with your face, because I'm not used to seeing you that way and I don't like it. For me, I love myself a nice clean shaved man that looks good. You don't be wearing no rip up clothes around the house constantly and stuff like that. Look at my son, he's here like literally looking at his clothes. Right? And I'm not gonna be sitting there dressing in no big old nightgown. And when you met me, you seen me a certain way, and I'm gonna stay. And even if I do get bigger in size, right, I'm still going to work on me, on being the way I want to be, and make sure I'm taking care of myself. I'm not gonna let myself go. And a lot of people do that when they get together. They've been together for long and they have kids, and your head look a certain way. Like, put yourself together, right? I know sometimes you feel comfortable that way, but your husband or your wife don't like seeing you that way, and they never met you like that. So try and uphold yourself, because for me, if I see my husband a certain way, I'm gonna tell him, because where me not like me I tell a true me tell you where me not tell you anything. Me can't tell you. Me say oh no man love shiny things, right? I don't know he love shiny things till the day you know die, as much as you have a beautiful wife at home. And I guess that's just man nature. And it's the same thing with women. We just don't come out and really say it, right? And if you are used to a shiny thing, and when you got me I was nice and shiny, and then I start dulling down myself, you're not gonna be looking at me. Yes, you might still love me, but you're gonna be out there looking at other shiny things, right? So make sure you put yourself together. But time to get up, get myself together, and get this house in order, guys.
All right, guys. So let me show you guys our newfound pool. You're there, country, and you want to swim, you improvise. Hello, me a vlog. You improvise. So let me show you. You get a whole thing and you cut it open so we all make stairs. And look. The kids are in here playing. Yeah? So when you can't go to the river, you're in here and you're playing. So them in the water and then they play. Instead of them go swim. So when you go down there, so down here so deep. It's too deep. So no, so if you swim down there. The water is cold and the water they right here from. No, if you're someone down here. If you come out, then you get to go lay down. The water will float up. Look at this one here.
Listen, me stress.
No, stress me. You're a young girl.
I have CXC right now. I'm very stressed. I want the water to relieve the pain right about now.
Young girl, but you're stressed. You don't know stress.
Let me tell you what.
Yeah, stress, but then look at
right now. And I'll be a little cash.
Yes, your face. Fine, give me Miko. Miko can play. Let him play. No, me go come sit down. I need to go in and out because them a move. Stand up. He now go want to come out. Hey. Miko have a blast. What? Eh? So it's how we improvise, guys, and we made a pool for the kids them because it's hot. So, Mr. William, and you can also use it for an outdoor shower if you stand it up and you put the water part there. So you have it for a shower as well. Oh, wait, we up.
Come and wait up more. That time you take him out.
Don't wake me up. Don't wake up the camera.
He's dead.
So the kids them are enjoying themselves. Nowhere but country. Country like sweet. Country like sweet. So the kids them enjoy themselves. You're not going for it.
Oh my god, this is deep. Yeah, it is deep.
The dive off like your professional Olympics. We get a little big head right now.
Miko. So I'm gonna get my chair. I got some. Well guys, yeah, so I'm gonna get my chair and I'm going to go peel some banana because we're gonna make some beef red peas soup. So I already nailed the flour, so I'm gonna go cut up some banana and some yam and pumpkin, and we're gonna do outdoor cooking today, so it's outdoor vibes. Yeah, just gonna enjoy the day because we got the nice sun is out, and yeah. As you see me in my bamboo walk. Me and my breadfruit, not even walk me now. Me and my banana walk. Look at that. The joys of nature. Gotta love it. Got to love it. And it is not picking up. Yes. The joys of nature. Got to love it. So the kids are enjoying themselves.
Good night.
Alright, darling, Nanya, pass me the white one here. Come like I want a lifeguard at the backside, so let me get my first paycheck.
Oh yeah, get your first paycheck, you see your face.
I got anybody here.
So let me want to
Miko, you having fun? Yeah, look like you have a ball.
Just make sure you're not answering.
Gosh. So guys, the kids are enjoying themselves.
Stop
So.
plug up your water in your nose. Why?
I like to swim. 1, 2, 3.
And they're getting my camera wet, so they're gonna go feel good and stuff.
A lot of rough fears we see. No point we left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like we life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.